MeghalayaPost.news.
Kari Bhoi College kum kawai na Snem Jingiaid start yaki kon samla ka themri Bhoi wanta ka sngi kalayo banakhi yak Jingiaid Lynti basa Snem kata na double aseng yakani ka college bar kumjuru la kamau Burom malle Burom yulen RI marsharing ubade principal Nyngkong kani ka college la seng yaka Snem khat praspa propsau bat menta kla long kum kawai ka Snem Jingiaid start yaki samla bar khamtam na gamta kitu ki kon samla bawan kilong yeng baduk bakurdu yakani ka Rakhe dap sa Snem ka college lawan manchimenta do ba meral bonds im bade MLA kanong po kum but la sakhi langru daga jingdon principal UEC bini ki bahing basem jongliet RI marsharing nang ta uba RR makdo ki nahi kai ki samla puli badru ki dikhat nangilam Kari Bhoi College Student Union RB CSU
Due to the visionary leadership of Sir R.I. Masharing and the members who together founded this college, makes this district, make this college a very important educational institution. I can go on to speak about maybe 1 hour or so regarding the contributions made by each one of them. But today especially, as we celebrate this occasion, we need to keep in mind we have the sweat and toil of the founding father, the broad vision of the members of the founding union of this college, which established this college way back in 1984 with the sole aim of catering to the poorest of the poor students of River District in and around Nyngkong. So, I am very grateful that I stand here today commemorating the Foundation Day, and also at the same time we remember the contributions especially made by Sir R.I. Masharing towards building up this college. When I joined in 1995, this was a struggling institution. But his ability to lead, his method of dealing with people, and his ability to overcome all obstacles, all difficulties, and every problem dealing with money, everything that arises, he need to be noted. And that is how he single-handedly built up this college in the beginning. I am very sure he was helped in his mission and in his work by the members, Sir Lapang and other founding members. Sir R.R. Makdo is here, he will be able to talk much about it. But as a teacher who joined this college in 1995, I remember the various activities that he organized for the college. And many a time I was with him, and he used to consider me as his very own younger son of his family. I am very grateful on this occasion that we have come to this fulfilling day, this day in which we are proud to say we have an institution built upon the hard work and toils of the members of the founding union of this college. I request all the audience to stand up for a moment so that we pay respect to the departed soul of Sir R.I.
sebab iu day naman pangamdon mga saman sabi ayu hidat panong nakita kata kajing anut ke jungi bandol kat kuadat hangne hanong po lane hangne hari buhay tengah siok men ngani kinyamjur ban ngawro kung uwi na tinongsen yung ganito kuadat sila yung founding member nga nag-comment siya hadu kata-kata ban yung iya di ban kaitin ro na do Snem kating na spark ro sa dati spamot lesa yung aparan hajar kikun sama yung kilapas sa degree bakher lalong kinasta degree but don nakiro kiso yang berbuat palas kibadon hangne kibahikay hangne ngampakla kadaya tenganut dan om hangne yosni kajing post new yungi hatu bukor kala urlong bak ndeta makala urlong kala pu kala ping kala pu suntiwa bak ndeta suntiu bak kiso kisok kuno, kisok kibatiang, kibana pambakla, kawain Snem, hakabar di education department yang pi, mo kalau penmi, yang keluar, nak kene ke college kajungi. Doktor lapang, kat tengah kue kesi, mati ilang minister nolong MDC chairman ng resolution ako yung kansahin nila uno yung college nginsdang diba lakhat ya ng kais Professor Imli na po Sinod College Banwan Pulmonary Principal sipang tayo ang kambiyan men tawin na yakran na yung yalang ngayon nanong makakatakadot kung bigyan ba yung to lekhat ya iba yang masyering menterwa Meghalaya Post principal but yung nakpunta kay Bhoi naktuloy ba nasalute kapi ba aral masyering kung from the principal jam kanito pala. Baglang ba kimati yung pi ay nakam pagkuno bastante. Kajing snamde. Dan sipon gijing na dan sipon di batam. Nay ina sene kanong rego. Bat kibalawan hadi ijong babaman. Ijong sanbeni. Gila nakpan itanak susuya ka. Bat bagajing don bagajing kutjunod yung pi sama yung nadong Bhoi. Bat naway na wayo. Banyo ya gajing kuli lang pagkabinin ko kolat.
On the 40th Foundation Day of Bhoi College, how many of us will remember the contribution of late Sri A.I. Masring Bobuyalam Banju Khadi? How many will remember the contribution of Dr. Bedil Pan? How many will remember the contribution of Pak Rangan Sain Bro, who is here? How many will remember the contribution of the family of Pak Masring? How many will remember the contribution of teachers, faculty members, those who have been retired, who has been through thick and thin? Which is very important, that recognition. Kajik itu kadai kebenaran kam hantu kata-kata. Kajik hai Burom, patutnya terjadi. So that's why we are here today to remember this foundation, the foundation that has been built. We are so thankful to all the founder members, even though Balapang is not here. Thank you so much to him, Dr. Sai, and all the other members during that time. But Yalam, Babu Yalam, the Rizukati, to his family member today. We are happy that his youngest daughter, she is here, the Fisha is in. Thank you so much. Police Boniti, taking the assembly to Hima. I did not senyap dari dengan cakap contribution to Burom. Yo le say kita sibun ki jingkno pindan be. Malah kata. Kalau ni jing kesep, kalau ni yang kalau ni yang itu, kalau ni ya para genre yang siapa kita dengan susu, dengan contribution kepada ini kesep itu kita ni. Problem dorkat mengenai semua. And we are not wrong to say that whatever contribution that Sri R.I. Masri, who hail from one of the village from Eastern Bhoi, that is Kredem, who happened to be the principal of this college, and it stands like this today because of his contribution and the contribution of other personality who have been there through thick and thin in the journey of this beautiful institution that has been built in Nongpong history. We wish all the best to all the present governing body, the present principal, the faculty members, all of you, and we hope that in days to come that we will see more and more students that we have here today. We hope that the legacy that has been built, you will carry forward. We're happy to listen to the song, one of the songs that is in Khasi, Kamai Hok, Kamai Hok. Especially in the present day generation, where we, as a youth of this country, there is a huge expectation from each and every one of you. Dear student, this is an opportunity where we discuss about the foundation of the college.
MeghalayaPost.news